All right, yay for a snowstorm. Been rare around here. Why don't we look at those snow totals again? I put a couple other cities in there. Once again, Flagstaff 7 to 9 inches. It was 8.5 inches officially at Flagstaff Pulliam Airport. I think that may be the biggest storm system of the season. Mountain Air 7.4 inches. Munns Park 8 inches. 0.3 inches. Star Valley, that's of course just outside of Payson there. Prescott Valley 3 to 4 inches, and that's even a little bit more than Prescott in town had 1 to 3 inches, and West Sedona checking in with an inch of snow out of this storm system. All right, thank goodness for February, because obviously it has been a very dry season. And if we look at it month by month, December only a trace of snow. January we got 11.3 inches, and finally during the month of February this storm puts us up to 26 inches, which is the only on par month of the season. Obviously each month has been very dry, so season to date we're up to 37.3 inches, average to date 73, so we're about 50% of normal on our snowfall. Now 37.3 does put us ahead of the last grim snow season, which was 2013-2014, I believe, where we only had 33 inches. And if we were to not have any more snow right now and just stopped at 37.3 inches, it would put us as the 10th driest snow season in 120 some odd years, something like that. But hopefully that's not the case, and we do have some more snow on the way. All right, this latest storm system, after the snow melted in the bucket, which it seemed to do pretty quick, almost a half inch of moisture. And so if we look at since January 1, we're not bad in the moisture column here with 4.08 inches of moisture. Snowfall not as good, and particularly if we go back all the way to when the season started. All right, today a weird one with the beginning of the day looking a whole lot different than the second half of the day. Started off in a major winter wonderland, and that melted off pretty quickly as a mild air mass moved in. Storm pretty wet and melting off quickly. Here as we are in Flagstaff, and if you watch the last few hours, the storm system is now exiting the state. Still a little bit of low cloud cover lingering around northern Arizona, but the storm system is beginning to get out of here. So what's coming up next? We take a look out to the Pacific, and very mild Pacific air moving in, kind of a pattern change from where we were over the last couple weeks when it was really cold and everything kind of seemed to be coming straight out of the north. Now things coming in off the Pacific, so much more mild air. Tomorrow, temperatures really going to warm up a bit, and into Friday. This is the big storm system, though, that will bring us windy weather beginning Friday. It's going to bring great healthy moisture into California and much of the west, but really the storm stays north of us here through the bulk of the event. But beginning Friday, we will turn windy into Saturday as well, and then Saturday night a little branch of the storm system moves through very far northern Arizona, through Flagstaff and the Mogollon Rim region, and brings us another little shot of rain and snow. That's Saturday evening. It looks to be light precipitation, a little colder behind a weak cold front on Sunday, and mild going into next week is the long term. Okay, currently outside, doesn't look like there was a snowstorm from that webcam. 30 degrees right now, mostly cloudy skies, some patchy low clouds hanging around, but I'm expecting them to gradually clear. There will be some morning fog setting up across northern Arizona. Early morning low 15 degrees. Tomorrow for us, mostly sunny skies and 43. Sunrise 6:56. Statewide temperatures tonight seasonably cold. Tomorrow on the mild side, 55 Sedona tomorrow, 53 Prescott, and 51 up in Tuba City. Extended forecast. That windy weather will settle in Friday, although temperatures quite warm, or I don't know about warm, but mild for this time of year, and a little snow due for us Saturday night, but it looks to just maybe amount to an inch or so, and a little cooler behind a cold front Sunday.
Well, any moisture we can get is good. It's been such a dry winter already.
Yes, you're right about that.
I'm glad it's still cold with a little more moisture.
Right. A little more winter before we just go right back to spring, like this whole season's been.